Have you ever received money you were waiting for and thought you'd feel different once it arrived? Maybe more relaxed, more secure, or more at ease. But when it actually came in, the feeling didn't quite match what you expected. It passed quickly, or it didn't fully land. So if you've ever experienced that, there's a reason. And it has less to do with the money itself and more to do with how you're experiencing it. Throughout this series, we've been looking at how the mind interacts with money, how it focuses on what's going wrong, how it overlooks when money flows in, dismisses what comes easily, and even waits for something to go wrong next. All of these patterns have one thing in common. They keep you slightly disconnected from your actual financial experience. So even when money shows up, your attention isn't fully there. It moves on quickly, or it questions it, or shifts to what's next. And because of that, receiving money doesn't fully register. This creates a cycle where you're always looking for more money, more stability, a bigger result, thinking that's when you'll finally feel different. But even when money comes in, it feels the same. Not because something is missing, but because the moment itself wasn't fully experienced. So it can seem like you need more money or a bigger breakthrough to feel, when in reality, what's already come in just hasn't really been felt. So what would it be like to stay with receiving money just a little longer? The next time money comes in, whether it's expected or unexpected, pause before moving on, before spending it, before planning, before thinking about the next step. Just notice it. Let yourself actually feel, I have this now. Don't analyze it or question it. Just experience it, feel it. Even a few seconds of awareness can make a difference. Over time, this builds a new pattern where your mind begins to stay with receiving money instead of just moving past it. Manifesting money isn't just about what comes in. It's about what you allow yourself to feel when it arrives. The more you slow down and stay with those moments, the more real and stable they begin to feel. And when money feels real, it doesn't feel like something you have to chase. It feels like something you can actually have. Now that is where everything starts to shift. Not from getting more, but from fully experiencing what's already there. If this message resonated with you, don't forget to like the video, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay magical and may the wealth flow to you.